Hey, what's up? Got a little unboxing here for you. Use my Raja. Open this sucker up. This is my first unboxing, so hope you enjoy. Gonna be the Counterpoint XL cold steel. Let's see here. 6-inch blade, 13 and 1/8 inches overall. OS 10A, 7.9 ounces, 4 millimeters thick. The handle is 7 1/8 inches. Yeah, let's open this up. Let me see here. Just got this a couple weeks ago. I have no use for it at work. Let's see here. Oh man. Look at that. I like to use most of my knives for work, or try to find a way to use them for work. I don't see that happening with this one, but it's pretty badass, so let's open it up. Yeah, that's nice. See if I can get that. OS 10A, made in Taiwan. Man, this thing is big. I guess this is a boot knife, made into a folding version. Yeah, that thing is nice. Alright, let's take it outside and see what it could do.
Along with some pepper. Toyota's and Tool says Stevie Ray, Booker T brothers used this. Really? Stevie Ray, Booker T's brother used the sap. Is that like Stevie Ray Vaughan or Stevie Ray? It was a thing in Southern wrestling. It was a thing in Southern wrestling.
Pretty good.
Right to the back of the head, right? That was the main.
So yeah, in conclusion, this thing came pretty sharp. Pretty big XL folder. Don't know what kind of work I'm going to do with this, but it's pretty damn fun having it. Let's see how sharp this is. Yeah. Typical cold steel sharpness. So to conclude this video, Counterpoint XL, like cold steel, pretty badass. Came razor sharp, dagger style folder. Looking forward to trying to use this at work. I really don't see how I'm going to use this at work. I try to use all my knives at work. It doesn't happen with all of them. But it's a pretty nice weapon. Feels sturdy. Came razor sharp. Nice and pointy. I know that's not that tough, but yeah. So, cold steel Counterpoint XL. Awesome.